check out Philippi Park. And tide is low. I don't even think you can get the boat in here today. And the wind is blowing like at least 15 miles an hour, white caps. So I don't think we'll be fishing here today. Let me take a look at this real quick. This is the location where we are at today. Olympic Park by Safety Harbor. Alrighty. Welcome back to Too Fishy Outdoors. It's a windy day. We've decided that we try a different spot today. What is this? Whedon Island area. And we're gonna go see if we can catch us some sheepies. I don't know. It may be a rough day today, but we got fiddler crabs, we got oysters here. Also we have shrimp, white caps. We got everything today. It's kind of shallow right here. Now, oh, fish on. I got bites, people. We're gonna try a mangrove crab. I already had a bite, Charles. You might have to go with crab just to get some bites. Oh, nibble. Getting nibble already. Got a little dude, first fish in the boat today. Oh, and it just come off. Not a big guy, but we caught a fish. It is a rough conditions today, guys. It's 20 miles an hour winds, white caps, and oh, Charles had a bite. Something took it. Nope, still got your crab. Nope, no bites now. Man, it's just a low tide right now. Okay, we're gonna start the motor and motor up toward that edge of that. Up there, see if we can. It's still windy. That's the hardest part about today is the wind. And I'm gonna give it a shot and see if there's anything in here. Catfish. Caught that, almost lost my rod because I was working over here on the buoys. Hey y'all. Wouldn't think the cat was gonna eat a crab. Jeez. Could be another catfish. Definitely something on it. What is that? Oh, it's a crab. Huge crab. Oh. Net. Oh man. That was a huge crab. Missed it. Oh, almost had him. Oh man, okay. Let me go back down there. He saw the net. Took off. Oh, you stink, crabby. Come back. Where are you? Gonna be back on. Okay. Whoa, 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 dude. That's probably a cat too. King bunch of catfish, man. That just smells. That's on a crab though, so maybe a sheepy. Nope, another cat. You got to be kidding me. I don't think this is a good spot for fishing because all we got is cat. And he got my crab. Oh, look, he put a hole in my foam. They stink. They won't touch your worm, but they'll eat mangrove crab. And then it take off like that and I almost lose my rod.
70%.
Oh, fish on. Ah, yeah. Oh man, another cat. Oh yeah, that's a big cat. Got another catfish. This is a, I think nothing but a catfish spot. How do you do that thing? Okay. Oh, it just grabs the hook like that. Oh, nice. Oh, I think I got something on my shrimpy. Oh yeah, got something on the shrimp. It's moving. I think so. Let me see. Man, I thought it was moving. Something was moving it. Catfish likes crabby. I'm not wasting any more crabby on cats though. Maybe throw a shrimp on there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Another cat. I got the whole shrimp back. He just let go. Oh, cat. Charles got himself a catfish. That's all we have is catfish today. Charles just reeling in a nice cat. I think we're gonna be moving out of here after this catfish episode. We tried to make a sheep's head episode, but we are not catching nothing but cats all day on the shrimp. Is it a cat? Yeah. Catfish. Oh yeah, that's about the size, same size cats that we've been catching. It's right here. Yep, got it. All right, Charles, nice cat. We're gonna give this little spot here. We're gonna give this spot a try a little bit, and then this is gonna be it for us. Must be some rocks down there. Not getting any bites though. The wind is just rough, and this is the only place where you can get out of the wind. Must be some oysters down there. Oh, bait's gone. Oh, I got something biting my line. It's gotta be sheepy. Yep. Oh, there it goes. Oh, got one. Finally caught us a sheepy that we were supposed to try to catch. Look at that guy. Slimy. Okay, little dude. Finally a little sheepy, man. That's not even like 8, 9. Gonna let you go, buddy. Thanks for catching. He actually has a fish. We don't really know what it is though. Could be another cat. I think it might be a cat though. You think the cat followed us here? We'll have to wait and see what it is. Fighting like a cat. Or it could be a giant sheepy. Could be, I don't know, maybe a black drum? Got another sheepy. I didn't even know. I just had that shrimp sitting out there, and I think he had it in his mouth just waiting for me to hook him in. Reel him in. Same size as the other one. 10-incher. Little guys. Maybe some of the bigger ones maybe show up. Hey, oh, get out of here, buddy. Ah, nice. It's been a rough day today, so we're gonna wrap it up for today. So until our next fishing adventure, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe.